Here at Dherbs, we offer a variety of products that help cleanse your body and greatly improve your overall health. But how do you know when to use these products? How do you know when you need to cleanse? Well, the body has the ability to naturally cleanse itself, but it can't do this effectively if there's an overabundance of toxins in the system. When there are too many toxins in the body, organs and systems begin to function poorly. You should know that these failures can quite often be signs that the body is in need of cleansing. So this week, we're covering the top 5 signs you need to cleanse. Let's get into the madness. Number 1, skin issues. A common sign of too many toxins in the body is skin complications. Dry skin, rashes, itchy patches, or breakouts can all be symptoms. Additionally, skin issues can chisel away at your self-esteem, which is why it's best to address the real problem, instead of simply applying chemical creams that only mask the issue. Just know that the toxins in the blood are often the cause of the skin issues, but not always. Gastrointestinal troubles or poor immune functions can also be the culprits. Number 2, frequent headaches. Too many toxins in the body prevent the liver from sending energy to the brain, ultimately aggravating the central nervous system and causing us pain as a result. The pain is distinct and usually centered around the temples or the back of your head. It is often accompanied by stomach pains or nausea. This differentiates them from the regular tension-based headaches that everyone else experiences from time to time. If you're wanting a clear head, it may be time to cleanse. Number 3, constant fatigue. Feeling tired is a classic issue. After consecutive busy days or late nights, fatigue can often be induced by insufficient or poor quality sleeping habits. However, consistently feeling unmotivated or requiring caffeine to simply move is a completely separate issue. Constant fatigue can indicate that there are too many chemicals or toxins in the body, and that it is thus working overtime to eliminate them. This is typically the number 1 sign that a cleanse is necessary. However, people tend to ignore it just because they love chugging that coffee in the morning. If you want true energy, cleanse. Number 4, abdominal bloating or gas. Feeling gassy? If toxins fail to leave the body, they can remain in the intestines or stomach and cause gas, bloating, and even lasting cramps. These can be indications that the microbiome has more bad bacteria than beneficial bacteria. This excess amount of bad bacteria can also lead to slowed digestion, slowed metabolism, and inflammation. Not exactly a great look. Number 5, yellowish coating on your tongue. While bacteria live inside the mouth, there aren't too many strains that form yellowish or white matter on the tongue. This coating can contribute to bad breath and is commonly linked to poor intestinal health or poor functioning liver. People who eat a lot of sugar, processed foods, unhealthy fats, and alcohol often experience this buildup of bacteria. Sadly, with their breath, they also experience a lot of disgusting reactions. At Dherbs, your health is important to us. Pay attention to your body. It naturally tells you a lot about what it likes and what it doesn't. You just have to learn the signs and take action when necessary. Drop a comment below. Tell us how you really feel. See you next time for another Dherbs Weekly Top 5.